Magic begins with thought and will, the core tools of any witch's practice. However, to truly harness these forces, we must first understand how the mind works. Meditation acts as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, helping us cultivate clarity, confidence, and connection. It's a transformative practice that strengthens your magical foundation, allowing you to approach spell work and rituals with a clear and focused mind. Let's dive deeper into how meditation can take your witchcraft practice to the next level. Fleeting doubts and insecurities can weaken not only your magic, but also your ability to manifest the life you desire. Meditation empowers you to reclaim control of your thoughts and rebuild a positive self-image. By fostering self-love and self-assurance, you ensure your magic is guided by a steady and confident will. Practice affirmations during meditation. Focus on empowering statements like, "I am a powerful and capable witch," or "My magic flows with confidence and purpose." Meditation is more than just a tool for relaxation. It's a sacred practice that connects you with your divine nature. It allows you to quiet the mental chatter, creating space to hear messages from the god or goddess, your spirit guides, or your higher self. This deep communion strengthens your spiritual practice and enhances the authenticity of your rituals. Create a meditative ritual space. Light candles, burn incense, or play soft music to set the mood. Focus on connecting with your chosen deity or simply attuning to the divine energy within. Your thoughts shape your reality. Meditation helps retrain your mind to focus on positive, intentional thinking. This alignment of thought with will is the foundation of successful spell work. When your mental energy is clear and directed, the magic you send out becomes more potent and effective. Use visualization meditations to align your thoughts with your intentions. For example, visualize the outcome of a spell as if it has already manifested, imagining every detail with clarity and emotion. In today's fast-paced world, stress and negativity can block your connection to metaphysical energies. Meditation acts as a form of spiritual hygiene, helping you release stress, heal emotional wounds, and ground your energy. A grounded witch is a powerful witch, capable of channeling energy with precision and clarity. Try grounding meditations, where you visualize roots growing from your body into the earth, drawing in stability and releasing tension or negativity. Visualization is a cornerstone of magical practice, and meditation enhances this skill. By practicing focused visualization during meditation, you strengthen your ability to see, feel, and sense your intentions with greater clarity. This focus amplifies the energy of your spells and rituals, helping you manifest your desires more effectively. Meditation quiets the external noise and strengthens your inner voice, allowing you to tap into your intuition. A strong intuitive sense is invaluable for witches, guiding you to make better decisions, sense energy shifts, and choose the right timing for your magical work. Try meditations focused on your third eye chakra. Envision a glowing indigo light at your forehead, opening and expanding with each breath. Magic requires energy, and meditation helps you cultivate and maintain a healthy, energetic body. Through focused breathing and visualization, meditation strengthens your aura, making you more resilient to negativity and more powerful in your spell work. Practice energy cleansing meditations, where you imagine a brilliant white or golden light washing over your body, clearing away any lingering negativity. Meditation helps you align with natural cycles, be it the moon phases, the seasons, or your own inner rhythms. This alignment enhances your connection to the greater cosmos, grounding your practice in harmony and balance. Incorporate lunar or seasonal meditations. During the full moon, meditate on releasing what no longer serves you. During the new moon, focus on planting seeds of intention. If the idea of meditation feels intimidating, remember that you already meditate on some level every day. Anytime you ponder deeply or lose yourself in thought, you're engaging in a form of meditation. The key to magical meditation is doing so purposefully, with clear goals in mind. Start small, just 5 minutes a day, and build your practice over time. You don't need to master it overnight. Like any skill, it grows with consistency and patience. Meditation is more than a tool. It's a cornerstone of witchcraft. It clears your mind, enhances your focus, and connects you to the divine energy that fuels your magic. When you meditate, you're not just sitting in stillness. You're actively nurturing the witch within, strengthening your practice from the inside out. How has meditation enhanced your magic? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and thank you for watching.